So this is the drain line for my air conditioning system. It comes down from up in the attic. And when I installed this, they had a solid pipe coming in all the way in here. So even though on each side of the trap you have connections that you can remove, you actually couldn't remove anything with this drain line piped in. And I've been fighting this problem for years, trying to get this line unplugged. So what I ended up doing in the end was cutting out that piece of pipe, putting in a piece of 1-inch tubing and some clamps on that to seal it. And then I took out this whole piece here. Once I had that pipe removed, so I could take out this piece, and it was plugged probably from about somewhere in here all the way down and into here. We could still use the sink, but this was all plugged, and part of this was plugged. So I cleaned all of that out, and by the time I had this cut out, the built up water pressure pushed whatever dirt and pluggage was in here. So a lot of times they'll say use a CO2 cartridge, and yeah, a CO2 cartridge will make a little bit of a hole for a while that then will plug back up. And on the other side you can see where it's plugged. The hole is not there anymore. So the CO2 cartridge is a temporary fix, and I recommend that if you have plugging in your drain line, that you go ahead and take care of that, get that unplugged. And this has worked pretty darn well. And now I can see if I'm building up plugging, I can see if I'm draining. So it's all working really well. Good luck with your problems.